Here in my hand is the Icefox 4K action camera. I do need to tell you it was provided to me to do this review, but they gave me no instructions. They're like, here's the camera, go try to break it, play with it, use it, and see what it's like. Tell the people. That's exactly what we're gonna do. We are really going to test this out. We're gonna use it, see if we can't break it, and then I'm gonna come back, show you the images, show you the video, and let you know what I thought of it. All right, potential new Icefox fan. In this video, we're going to test this out as both an action cam, a vlogging camera, all those kind of things. Right here in front of me is the Icefox camera. Right next to it is my GoPro Hero 12. Right next to it is my professional level Canon camera. What we're going to do today is we are going to assemble an e-bike. Do a little time lapse there so you get a feel for that. Right now you got video, no microphones, just pure off the cameras. And then we're going to play with the e-bike and see if we can get some really cool action shots. Put it all together for you so you can kind of compare it and see what you think about this 4K action camera. All right, let's do that. Okay, let's get down to the actual video footage and talking about some of the features of this camera and a little bit of the value proposition, right? Because real world, this camera costs a fraction of what both the GoPro cost and a super small fraction of what my Canon camera costs. So let's take a look at some slow motion footage. You can see, I think it looks really good in terms of when you compare it in terms of dollars for donuts. I think this really looks good. You can make your own judgment yourself. So it does shoot in 4K up to 60 frames a second, which I find to be hard to find in more of these value cameras. So I think that's a super duper plus there. You could take 20 megapixel photos if you wanted. Thing is, it will hold up to a 128 gigabyte card, which is really good for storing lots of great footage. As part of the package, it comes with an IP68 waterproof housing, so it's going to be nice and safe. And if you're into diving, you can dive down to 130 feet with that. I think the most important aspect of that housing, as you can see here with these RC car footage, it took a beating. I mean, I really literally hit it with the RC car, not intentionally, but it's a really fast RC car and I whacked it good a couple times and didn't do anything to it, which was really good. That's a really nice feature. If you wanted to, you could use it wireless. It's got 2.4G wireless remote control, and you could also connect it to your cell phone or a tablet via an app. Overall in the video, as you can see, I've gone back and forth between GoPro video, Icefox video, slow-mo, regular speed, all that kind of stuff. You should have been able to make a judgment call yourself. For myself, I was really impressed with it. What do you say we go do that unboxing so you can see what this entire kit comes with? Okay, so you saw the play, you saw the review, you want to see more about what it comes with. Let's open it up and I'll show you what it comes with. So here's the packaging. It comes with nice instructions. Ooh, I'm gonna make you wait to see the camera itself, although you've probably seen it in the video. It comes with 2 batteries. Let's see what kind of accessories it comes with. Seems like a heavy box. Whoa! Okay, so if this is your first action camera, this is quite a setup to start with. Let's just dig through here, go with, this is a mount, USB cable. This is a mount if you're going to mount it without the glass. Here's the charger. This is a strap mount. It's a straight connector. Safety wires. Another straight connector. A clip-on mount. A handlebar mount. This is for going on a tripod or something like that, or a selfie stick. A couple more Velcro mounts. This is a helmet mount. It's a second helmet mount. Another longer connector, except this one's a 90-degree angle connector. And then this is the remote. Let's take a look at the camera real quick. Here's the camera. Let's unveil it for the first time. There is the ultra wide angle camera. Let's take it out of the underwater case, see what it looks like. Whew. So this is so light. So this is going to be one of those pluses and minus things, right? In the sense that it is super light. It's probably a little more fragile than, let's say, my GoPro Hero 12, right? But this is like a brick. I think there's a big advantage to having it lightweight, even if it's a little more fragile. So you got to be a little careful, but it is a much lighter piece of equipment, which is really nice in a lot of ways. Has a rear screen, has a front screen, which is a huge advantage. Here's where you would connect your micro SD card, a USB-C cable, and it also has an HDMI output. That's really quite cool. Oh, look at that. It even has a built-in 1/4x20, putting it on a tripod itself. This is really very cool. Okay, you've seen me play with it. You've seen the review. You've now seen all of this, which comes with it, which I think is ridiculously cool. Only one thing to do, say I hope that was helpful, and we'll see you next time.